All right, YouTube, 16 Faulkner, back with another freaking exciting video. My tractor, my GX345. Years ago, I lent it out. I can't even remember who. Anyways, it came back with the hood split all the way from there and there. Now, this plastic here on these John Deeres gets really freaking brittle. It needs a whole new hood. But I managed to, I took some resin, mixed up some powder coat paint, some green and yellow, and got pretty good John Deere match color. Put a popsicle stick on the back, wrapped the fiberglass mesh back there, and it's held it together for all these years. Anyways, so I never knew these things existed until a little while ago. So I got me a plastic welding gun, right there. The Chinglish is actually pretty good in the user's manual and everything, except for, I don't know, this rep air of tin, flattening, no idea, brazing hot by welding, cutting hot, nail breaking, whatever. Anyways, so this is a cordless plastic welding gun. I've already charged it up. Comes with a whole ton of the little whatever, welding rods or whatever. Different assortments. You got inside corner, outside corner. You got this stuff here. I'll show you that in a minute. Comes with a USB-C charging cable. Little pair of side cutters there. Little utility knife. Anyways, whatever. So I'm going to see if I can get this hood. I got to get this crack back level. I want to see if I can get that welded up, because I mean the crack has not gone any further down here. I had put some resin on there and this and that, and that peeled off, but up here is holding good. So anyways, so I just want to try to weld this up. I'm going to weld it up from the underside. I got to be really careful because I have to like pull the sides and then lift up. Otherwise, I mean, this stuff is like ready to break. So let me get I'm going to see if I can do it with the hood mounted, but up. If I can't, I'll take the hood off and we'll see if this will actually weld it. It's like, I don't know, 25 bucks or some shit like that on freaking Amazon. So, all right, back in a minute. All right, so I was able to get that crack. Everything's pretty flush right there. Here's that resin I put up here, and on the underside I put a wooden popsicle stick, one of them wide ones, you know, tongue depressor type things, and then went over, and it's held that freaking thing really good. So here's the plastic welder. The tips, they just kind of set in there. They don't really, the directions say make sure you'll put in all the way with pliers, but this just it's hard to do this one-handed. So these tips just I get my fucking eyes, they're getting so freaking old. Holy shit, man, I can't see shit. All right, so that's just kind of sitting there. So I'm going to use this upside down like this so it don't fall. I'm just going to stick one in, see if it works, and then I'm going to put the rest in, and I will show you, I'll show you the things that come with it. So let's pull the trigger. Let's see, let me get that centered. Man, that actually went in pretty nice. Holy crap. I don't know if that's, I'm sure that's in far enough. This one right here may not have got in far enough, but I'm gonna put them about every inch, and then I'll be back. And man, that heated up quick. Still have full bars. All right, let me stick some more in there and I'll be back. All right, well, there you go, YouTube. I gotta say, it was pretty impressive. Went down through there. You see, I went in deeper. You know, the first one there I did there, I didn't quite go in all the way there. Probably want to maybe practice on something, but it's got that crack. I mean, this whole hood is brittle as hell. You can see here how all these things are broken, you know. So, I mean, the hood is eventually going to have to get replaced, but they're so freaking expensive. But this thing is, I'll tell you, it's pretty freaking cool. So I did all them. Still has full charge. Supposedly it has a 2-hour runtime. I don't know who's going to do 2 hours of plastic welding on there. But then it comes with this kit. I can't remember. It's like 25 bucks for this thing here. So you get 3 bags of the ones I use there. The really, really super curvy ones. Then you get 2 bags of the ones that are supposed to be for smaller cracks or straighter cracks or whatever. They got a little curve to them. Let's see here. So you can see that there. Then, so you get, let's see, 2 bags of them. So you get 3 big bags of the more heavy-duty ones. 2 bags of this. And then you get 1 bag of, this is for outside corners. Just a second here. Probably should have had all this out. All right, so that's for an outside corner or an inside corner if your corner's going in, whatever. And then 1 bag. Wait a minute, that's let's see. Yeah, this is an inside corner one here. That one was outside corner. But whatever. I mean, you can see it would go on the outside corner of something. So you get 1 bag of these, 1 bag outside, 1 bag inside, 2 bags for smaller cracks, 3 big bags for bigger cracks. The gun, the cable, the China's very best side cutters, and a little utility knife for like 25 bucks, you know. So that's it, man. I mean, actually, I'm pretty freaking impressed. Did a good job, man. That's going to keep that hood good for a while. I just didn't want this crack to carry on down there. So, all right, well, that's it, man. Plastic weld your freaking shit. See ya, bitches.